So I bought this Leatherman Surge just over 2 years ago for about 2,500 Rand, and I've been carrying it on my belt and using it every day since then for work. I haven't been particularly gentle with it. In fact, there were times that I've even used it as a bit of a hammer, so it has been through some abuse. With this video, I want to show what a Leatherman looks like after 2 years of really hard work. I have lost the screwdriver bits, but could buy some. And I've also broken the awl. Now, Leatherman does have a 25-year guarantee, I think. And for that to work, I've got to send it down to Cape Town from Gauteng. And it's going to take some time. And when it's there, they will first look if it was a factory fault or if it broke because of something that I did wrong. It will probably be because of something that I did wrong. And then they can fix it and I can pay for it and they can then send it back to me. The thing is, I don't want to be without it for a period of time because it could take a couple of months probably. So it might be better to just buy a new one if I cannot use this one anymore. But it does still work for me, so I'm keeping it as it is and using it as it is. The only maintenance that I've done with this Leatherman was giving it a bit of oil and tightening the screws from time to time. I think this is a very strong tool, and if I ever lose this one or if it does get broken somehow, I will buy another one just like this.